putting the Jeep Compass through his paces. Some people might think I'm stuck. I am on the beach. Look how hot this is. But when I tell you I'm about to back right out of here, watch this. Okay, four-wheel drive lock on. Traction is off. Look, it's about to be easy as nothing. Okay. Let's turn the wheel a little bit. It's acting a little stuck. Oh, sookie. We might have got it stuck. Yeah, we about to get this shit moving. I'm good. The lady trying to give me instructions. Like, lady, I do this. I do this shit. She don't get it though. Back and drive. Okay. Let's get a little rough. Reverse. Okay. Well, you see she moving though. Ooh, I think I'm backing right into that pilot slide. What the hell? I need to see the screen. Talk about the connection with my phone unstable. Look, I don't know why once I do this, it wanted to do this. Alright, let's try this. Back up. Back up. Okay. Got that in there, wedge good. See, she keeps sliding to the right. It's moving. She just keeps sliding to the right. There we go. Might get out of this. Okay. No shoveling needed, guys. And we're off. No shoveling. No shoveling, my boy. Yes, sir. Good to go. I don't know where that lady went, but I got it. Like, lady, don't try to give me no instructions. I do this.